me a god. They call me a god.
What's up mga ka-exorize? This is Papa Sep TV and for today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin, itong bagong service ni Maya. Hindi ko alam kung live na ba talaga siya. Wala pa akong nakikitang comments na successful ang mga user na nagsubok nito. But i-discuss na rin natin para alam nyo itong bagong service ni Maya, which is the Maya Personal Loan. Pero bago ang lahat, intro muna tayo para mukhang pro. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update. Meron ng financial service si Maya, which is yung Maya Credit and Maya Pay in 4, which is din parang GINVEST naman ni Gita. But hindi pa natapos dyan. So may bagong offer si Maya, which is the Maya PL or Maya Personal Loan. So saan natin makikita itong Maya Personal Loan? So ito, tingnan natin. So syempre, buksan niyo yung Maya nyo. Yan, makita niyo walang balance kasi wala dito yung pera ko. So Maya, punta tayo under loans. So makita niyo yan. Personal loan. Borrow larger amount of loan over a longer period. Tapos let's make your dreams happen. Get up to 250,000. Wow, 250,000. Payable up to 6 months with Maya Personal Loan. Medyo hindi ko gusto yung up to 6 months. Kasi, for example max loan, 250,000. Babayaan mo in 6 months. Ang bigat nun, diba? Discuss muna natin kung ano yung mga kailangan yung malaman about Maya Personal Loan. So what is Maya Personal Loan? Maya Personal Loan helps you fund big life decisions with a loan up to 250,000 that you can pay in a flexible monthly installment. Flexible by 6 months up to 6 months? Parang hindi, di ba? Anyway, use your loan to get a home upgrade, pay for tuition, or plan for an intimate wedding with zero fees and no collateral or guarantor needed. Once approved, your personal loan is sent immediately to your Maya wallet so you can use it right away. So basically, ganun naman talaga ang personal loan. Wala naman talaga ang collateral. I don't know what's special about this, pero ang nakikita ko dyan is yung sabi niya, zero service fees. Kasi if you apply for a personal loan sa ibang mga financial institution, definitely meron dyan processing fee and documentary tax stamp, which is with Maya Personal Loan is waive ang documentary stamp and processing fee. So basically, ang babayaran mo lang dito is the interest. I dig in sa FAQ nila and it turns out that they can offer other loan tenures. So ito, sabi dito, what are the available installment plans for my loan? Sabi niya, when personal loan launches, you can pay your loan in 6 monthly installment. In the future, you can start paying loan in 6, 12, 24, 36, 48 monthly installment. So basically, sa unang loan mo siguro, you'll be paying within 6 months lang and then later on, ma-unlock mo yung sinasabi nilang longer installment terms. Magkano naman ang pwede nating utangin with Maya? Kasi sabi nila, up to 250,000 pesos. Pero totoo ba talaga pwede tayo ma-approve ng 250,000 pesos kagad? Well, ito daw yung basis nila. What is the basis of my loan amount? Your Maya Personal Loan is subject to credit evaluation. Well, lahat naman talaga ng pag-uutang mo is subject to credit evaluation. So, this is based with your monthly salary and your credit history. So, basically, feeling ko gagamit si Maya na records natin from the CIC. Okay, what is CIC again? CIC is the Credit Information Corporation of the Philippines. Sila ang nagmamanage or nagki-keep track ng mga credit ratings natin, which is pwede nating bigyan ng access yung mga banks to check. So, gaano naman katagal mag-process ang loan natin or application natin? So, sabi nila dito, they need 24 hours to evaluate yung pagpaprocess ng application natin for loan. Okay, so enough of that FAQs. Tingnan naman natin kung paano mag-apply ng personal loan with Maya. Okay, so syempre mag-login kayo kay Maya. Pag nabuksan nyo na, nandiyan na kayo sa dashboard nyo, punta kayo under loans na katabi lang ng credit and cards. Makita nyo yung personal loan and then, ayan, may apply now. Yan, sabi dito, get up to 250,000 in an instant. Pay with easy monthly installment up to 6 months. Enjoy a monthly add-on rate as low as 0.83% or with an effective interest rate of 1.40% per month, which is sobrang baba neto. So, i-continue lang natin data privacy. So ito na, start na tayo sa application natin. How much do you need? Let's say 15,000 and then I'll be paying it within 6 months. So dito, tatanungin naman kung magkano yung take-home pay ko, meaning net ng sweldo ko, meaning gross minus SSS, pag-ibig, tax, yan. Kasi yung papasok na sa ATM mo, magkano daw? Then, ako, nilagay ko lang dito sample, 35,000 pesos. Next, ano daw yung nature of work? Di ko alam freelance na lang. And then source of income, which is employment. And then select your job title. Ano bang job title ko? Owner. So after this, click next. Ito naman, tell us about yourself. So, pipiliin nyo kung ano daw yung purpose ng loan nyo. Sa akin, let's say, ano lang, house improvement, house repair. And then, nandyan na rin yung email address nyo kagad, gender nyo, civil status nyo, and then yung TIN number nyo. Which is yan yung information na nilagay nyo nung nag-apply kayo ng Maya Bank. Nandyan din yung name of company or yung business. After ma-input to, click nyo lang yung next para ma-confirm yung details. Ito, sinasabi niyan dito yung loan breakdown. So, 15,000 one-time bank charges which is waived daw. So, 0. So, loan amount natin is 15,000 pesos. Loan term is 6 months and the monthly amount due natin ay 2,623.92 pesos. And then, pag i-click natin yung submit, looks like you are not eligible for a personal loan. Improve your credit rating by buying from shop, paying bills, and paying with QR or your Maya card at partner merchants. So, eto, napakabilis ng pagpaprocess neto as in, pagkasubmit mo, wala pang 5 seconds, natanggap ko na to. Dalawa ibig sabihin neto, either pre-identified na yung mga pwede, or pangalawa is hindi pa working itong personal loan nila. Kasi kung ang working na to, dapat ina-advertise na nila to. Especially if you go sa website nila, hindi pa kita or hindi pa ina-advertise yung about personal loan. Meron lang nito is flexi loan for businesses. Pero yung personal loan wala pa. So for me, sa tingin ko, hindi pa na-launch itong service na to and nakikita pa lang natin sa app na mayroong personal loan. Okay, so gusto kong makita natin for the last time, ito namang interest rate. So ang sabi niya, ang babayaran daw natin na monthly ay 2,623. So i-multiply natin yan by 6, lalabas na 15,743.52. So ang interest natin dito ay yung 743.52. So i-minus natin yung 15,000 na principal amount at makuha natin yung interest ay 743.52 and then i-divide natin by 15,000 ulit para makuha natin yung percentage. So basically for 6 months, ang percentage niya ay 4.95% o parang 5% na rin. So kung i-divide natin yan by 6 months, ang makuha natin ay 0.82%. So wala pang 1% per month ang effective interest rate natin. And then, para makuha natin yung annual na interest rate nito, i-multiply natin sa 12 which is makuha natin is 9.9 or 10. Sabihin natin 10%. Again, if we compare it with credit card, kasi okay na, benchmark natin ang credit card So sa credit card, 3% per month which has an annual interest rate of 36% which is sobrang laki na. Ito, 10% lang. So that's less than 1/3 ng interest rate na sinacharge ng credit card. So maganda talaga to kasi ang baba ng interest rate. Pero again, itong service na to ay hindi pang kalahatan. Kasi may requirement na meron ka talagang maayos na source of income. So basically ito yung discussion natin with Maya Personal Loan. At hanggang dito na lang ang vlog natin at kung negosyo itong video na to, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and God bless.